everyone, we are back with another plan with me, and this week we are going to be using the kit Palm Spring. So here's a quick look at the kit. So these are the check boxes here. We have the date covers and icons. These are the today's and little headers and little things. Then we have the glitter headers, the flags, and the deco page. And then this is the bottom washi and quarter boxes. So for this week, the actual week that I am laying down the stickers for has been several weeks in the past. And this kit is like a Palm Springs resort vacation-y type of kit. And it actually works out because the time that I am recording my voiceover portion of this, I'm actually on vacation from work this week. I just took a little staycation for this year. So it's been a couple years since I've taken like a real vacation, and the last couple years I have just been doing some like staycations at home, just really kind of like trying to catch up on things. So that was pretty much what I was doing all of this week. And I tend to be a little bit of like a workaholic. If you guys don't know, I do have a traditional job. And then I also, on the side, I of course have my sticker shop and make my soaps. And then I also do YouTube. So it's kind of like having 3 side jobs plus my actual daytime job. So I do tend to stay quite busy. And I found that through this week off and my vacation, I was really kind of struggling between like, gotta catch up on life stuff in general, like getting the house cleaned up and tidied up and things put into order and organized and catching up on laundry and dishes and, all those kind of just like chore daily life kind of things, and then also kind of struggling between relaxing and like self-care. And I'm kind of one of those people that I can't really relax unless I feel like I'm really far ahead on all my other tasks. And one of the more pressing ones lately has been YouTube videos and really trying to streamline like when I'm filming, when I'm editing and uploading and making thumbnails and uploading to TikTok and all those minute little details that goes into creating content as like a YouTuber. And it's a lot of work in a very different way. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be one of those people that are like, oh my gosh, YouTube is so much harder than a real back-breaking manual labor job. That is just, that's a bit ridiculous, but it does take a lot of time and effort. And I've been doing this for so long now, for about 13 years. It's definitely been a long time coming. I've definitely found that for the longest time, my channel didn't really seem to be growing much, and there were a couple things that I felt like kind of stood in the way of my channel growing at a average or normal kind of rate. And I feel like one thing that actually kind of hinders my channel is probably the age of my channel, because I did start all the way back in 2011. I think last December I started to upload like a real serious schedule. Actually, I think it was probably around August where I started really taking like the whole planning side of my video scheduling. In December was when I started doing, I think I tried like uploading every day, not necessarily like a full length video, like shorts, and incorporating those into my channel. I didn't even start doing any type of short form content until March of 2023. So from there, I was sprinkling in some short form content, and I really feel like it has done a good boost to my channel. I feel like I get more views from shorts than I do like my actual traditional long form upload. I have kind of worked on sprinkling a lot more of those in, and that started last December. And so for December, I uploaded something every day, whether it was a video or shorts. I found that my channel actually started to kind of pick up some momentum after a long time. Still very slowly, but it was growing at that point, which was very satisfying to see. And I finally hit 5,000 subscribers last December, and we've just been growing ever since. Diversifying my type of content has also really helped, because I also started doing like Nancy Drew like book reviews and Nancy Drew content and Nancy Drew cookbook videos. So I have tried to reach out to do a lot of different content, because this channel did start initially based on a makeup related channel. And as much as I love makeup and always will love makeup, there's just so many more facets to my personality than just makeup. And sometimes I didn't want to do a makeup video, and things like trends change. I remember when I first started YouTube in 2011, the mid to tail end of tutorial videos being the like #1 type of beauty content. Then slowly we started seeing a lot of haul videos and PR haul videos, and makeup collection videos started getting really big. We started seeing like makeup decluttering videos, so it's kind of like goes full circle of like buying the makeup, using the makeup, collecting the makeup, decluttering the makeup. And I have to say that the beauty community on YouTube overall has been a evolving type of community to be in, and now I am just trying to explore more things outside of that. My soap making, planners and stickers, and book reviews, and all kinds of things like that. I kind of talked a little bit longer than I meant on this one topic, but overall this week off has just been kind of a mixed match of relaxing and finding that balance point between overworking and trying to get ahead, but also having a little bit of self-care and rest and relaxation to not burn myself out. Because since last December, I have really taken my uploading very seriously, and I have found that uploading almost every day, whether, like I said, shorts or full videos, I try to do about 2 full videos a week. Now I'm kind of doing about 3, and then every other day that I'm not uploading a full video, I try to do some kind of short video. I have found that this has been a really good format that has worked well for me, and I've really enjoyed that. But I do kind of feel myself overstressing myself, I guess putting these self-imposed expectations on myself to upload every day or almost every day, make really good, interesting content that you guys are wanting to see. So I hope that that effort has been showing through in my videos, because I really do love making videos so much, and it's something that had I not loved it so much, I would absolutely not have stuck it out this long. Kind of can't believe I have been able to at least sustain this type of video schedule for as long as I have, and that brings me back to my original point of me being a bit of a workaholic, because I am trying so hard to make this a very viable, at least to make something on the side and enjoy one of my passions. I'm really working hard to make something of this, and I know for a lot of people, they get on YouTube and they just either have that certain spark or hit that right algorithm, or they just get that right shout out that skyrockets their channel into absolute fame. And I don't ever think that's something or a position that I will be in, but it is a little bit frustrating at times to see someone so new to the game and they just get so much farther in such a short amount of time, which can be a little bit frustrating and discouraging at times. At the end of the day, this is just a hobby and passion of mine. If something bigger comes of it, then that's absolutely wonderful and welcomed. But if it doesn't, just doing it for the love of it is also something that I really love to do. And hey, maybe I'll be doing this for another 5 years or another 10 years or another 13 years, whatever it may be. It's just something that brings me a lot of joy and fun. But at the end of the day, I just really want you guys to know that anyone who does watch my videos or listen to these ramblings, whether you like or you comment or you're a silent viewer, I'm always very appreciative of anyone that interacts with my channel in a positive way. And I just wanted to say a quick thank you to you guys, and overall just being a really great community that we have both fostered together. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.